The workplace, as we know it, has been continually shaped and reshaped by technology. Like a master sculptor, technology has chiseled away at the traditional ways of working, revealing new forms and possibilities. Let's embark on a journey back in time, to the dawn of workplace technology. Our first stop is the Industrial Revolution, a period of radical change and innovation. Picture vast factories, filled with the rhythmic hum of steam engines and clattering looms. The work landscape was transformed as people moved from the fields to factories. This era marked the birth of a new work culture, one driven by mechanization and mass production. Then, fast forward to the mid-20th century. Here we find ourselves in the age of computers. The hum of factories gave way to the soft whirring of computers. The advent of computers revolutionized the workplace yet again. Offices became less about paperwork and more about digital work. Tasks became automated, efficiency soared, and the era of information technology was born. Next, we leap into the internet era, a time that brought the world closer than ever before. The internet demolished geographical barriers, making remote work a reality. It opened up a global marketplace, creating opportunities unimaginable in the pre-internet era. The world became our workplace. Each era introduced new tools, new ways of working, and new opportunities. Each wave of technology brought with it a surge of change, challenging us to adapt, to learn, and to grow. From the clattering looms of the Industrial Revolution to the silent smartphones of today, technology has been the constant companion of progress. As we journeyed from steam engines to search engines, technology has been a constant factor, redefining our work. Just as the sculptor sees potential in a block of stone, technology sees potential in our work, continually reshaping it to reveal new possibilities. And this, dear listeners, is just the beginning of our voyage into the future of work. In the dawn of the 21st century, we entered a new era, the digital revolution. This revolution was not fought on battlefields, but in boardrooms and office spaces around the globe. It began subtly, with the rise of digital tools that streamlined and automated routine tasks. Suddenly, spreadsheets calculated sums at the speed of thought, emails zipped across continents in seconds, and vast databases held the sum of human knowledge at our fingertips. As the revolution gathered pace, it began to reshape the very structure of the workplace. The cubicle farms of the late 20th century started to give way to open offices, fostering a more flexible and collaborative working environment. Walls, both literal and figurative, were torn down. Ideas flowed freely and innovation became the order of the day. But the digital revolution didn't stop at redefining where we worked. It also transformed how we worked. The rise of the internet and advancements in communication technology led to an unprecedented shift towards remote work. Employees no longer needed to be tethered to their desks from 9 to 5. They could now work from anywhere, at any time, and on any device. This new way of working was not without its challenges. Businesses had to grapple with issues of data security, employee engagement, and maintaining a cohesive company culture in a distributed workforce. Yet, despite these hurdles, many found that the benefits of remote work, increased productivity, reduced overheads, and improved work-life balance for employees, far outweighed the drawbacks. The digital revolution also ushered in a new era of data-driven decision-making. With the power of data analytics, businesses could track performance in real time, predict trends, and make strategic decisions based on hard facts, not just gut feeling. In essence, the digital revolution has not only changed what we do, but also where and how we do it. It has reshaped our workplaces, our work practices, and even our work culture. And as we continue to adapt and evolve in this digital age, one thing is clear: the revolution is far from over. Today we stand on the brink of a technological revolution that will fundamentally alter the way we work, live, and relate to one another. In the current technological landscape, several groundbreaking technologies are making their mark. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer a concept of science fiction. AI algorithms can now analyze data, make decisions, and learn from their experiences, becoming more efficient over time. In the workplace, AI is being utilized to automate routine tasks, freeing up humans for more complex and strategic work. Another technology that's reshaping our work lives is machine learning. This is a subset of AI that enables computers to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. Think of it as the brain behind AI's brawn. Machine learning algorithms are used in everything from recommendation systems to predictive analytics, helping businesses make smarter decisions. The Internet of Things, or IoT, is another game changer. This technology connects everyday devices to the internet, allowing them to send and receive data. In the workplace, IoT can improve efficiency and productivity by automating tasks and collecting data for analysis. Think smart offices, where everything from lighting to air conditioning is controlled to maximize comfort and minimize energy use. And let's not forget about automation. Automation technology is streamlining processes, reducing errors, and increasing productivity in workplaces across the globe. It's not about replacing humans, but rather enhancing human capabilities. Automation takes care of repetitive tasks, allowing workers to focus on creative and strategic aspects of their jobs. These technologies are not just changing how we work, but also where we work. Remote work and flexible hours are becoming more common, thanks to cloud computing and communication technologies. The traditional 9-to-5 office job is becoming a thing of the past. So what does this mean for the future of work? It means that work is becoming more digital, more automated, and more intelligent. It's a future where technology and humans work hand in hand, each leveraging the strengths of the other. The future of work is here, and it's digital, automated, and intelligent. As we look ahead, the future of work is a landscape where technology is not just a tool, but a partner. It's an exciting era, where advancements in technology promise to reshape our workplaces in ways we could only dream of a few decades ago. Consider artificial intelligence, or AI, which is quickly becoming an integral part of our work lives. From streamlining operations to making data-driven decisions, AI is paving the way for increased productivity and efficiency. It's not about replacing humans, but rather about augmenting our abilities, helping us to work smarter and achieve more. Likewise, automation continues to redefine traditional roles. Robots and automated systems are taking on repetitive tasks, freeing up humans for more creative and strategic work. This evolution is not about job elimination, but job transformation. As some roles become automated, new ones will emerge, roles that we can't even conceive of today. But as we embrace these advancements, we must also acknowledge the challenges they bring. Job displacement is a real concern. While new jobs will be created, there will be a transitional period where people may find themselves displaced from their current roles. It's crucial that we invest in reskilling and upskilling initiatives to ensure no one is left behind in this technological revolution. And then there's the issue of privacy. As we integrate more technology into our workspaces, we generate more data, and with it comes the question of how this data is used and protected. It's a delicate balance we must strike between leveraging data for productivity and respecting individual privacy rights. So yes, the future of work is exciting, but it's also complex. It promises unprecedented innovation, but it also presents challenges we must navigate. As we move forward, we must do so with a clear vision and a commitment to ensuring that technology serves us, rather than the other way around. The future of work will be characterized by unprecedented technological innovation, but also by the challenges we must navigate. As we step into this new era of work, how do we prepare ourselves and our organizations? In our fast-paced, technology-driven world, the ability to adapt and learn new skills is becoming increasingly crucial. Upskilling, which is enhancing your current skills, and reskilling, or acquiring new skills for a different job role, are essential for remaining relevant in the evolving job market. Lifelong learning is no longer a luxury, but a necessity in the face of rapid technological advancements. In tandem with individual efforts, organizations also need to take proactive steps to future-proof their workforce. They must foster a culture of innovation and agility, encouraging employees to experiment, take calculated risks, and learn from failures. Innovation isn't just about inventing new products or services, it's also about finding better ways to do things, improving processes, and enhancing customer experiences. Agility, on the other hand, is about being able to quickly respond to changes, whether they're in the market, technology, or customer preferences. An agile organization is flexible, resilient, and capable of turning challenges into opportunities. It's an organization that doesn't just survive change, but thrives in it. But preparing for the future of work isn't just about upskilling, reskilling, and fostering a culture of innovation and agility. It's also about policy, Governments, educational institutions, and industry bodies need to work together to ensure a smooth transition into the future of work. Policies need to be put in place to support lifelong learning, facilitate job transitions, and ensure that the benefits of technological advancements are equitably distributed. As we look ahead, we need to remember that the future isn't something that just happens to us. It's something we create, and the best way to predict the future is to create it. So let's embrace this opportunity to shape the future of work, to make it inclusive, rewarding, and sustainable. Preparation, adaptability, and foresight will be our best allies as we navigate the future of work. As we stand on the precipice of this new era, we carry with us a sense of anticipation and responsibility. This line encapsulates the essence of our journey into the future of work, a journey shaped by technology and innovation. In our exploration, we've charted the evolution of workplace technology, from the humble beginnings of the typewriter to the sophisticated artificial intelligence systems of today. We've seen how these advancements have revolutionized our work, eliminating the mundane and freeing us to pursue more creative and strategic endeavors. We've also delved into the impact of the digital revolution, a tidal wave of change that has swept across every industry. This revolution has not only transformed our tools and processes, but also the very nature of our work. Jobs have been created and lost, skill sets have been redefined, and the traditional boundaries of the workplace have been shattered. Our journey then took us to the current technological landscape, a world where data is the new oil and digital fluency is a prerequisite. We've seen how technology has become an integral part of our daily lives, shaping our interactions, decisions, and even our thoughts. Looking ahead, we've pondered the future of work and how we can prepare for it. The future holds exciting possibilities: smart workplaces, remote collaboration, automation, digitization, and more. Yet it also presents challenges: the need for continuous learning, the threat of digital divide, the ethical implications of AI, to name a few. As we gaze into the future, we understand that it's not just about adopting new technologies, but about transforming our mindset. We need to be adaptable, resilient, and innovative. We need to be lifelong learners, ready to unlearn and relearn. We need to be digital citizens, responsible and ethical in our use of technology. The future of work is not a distant reality, but a present-day challenge and opportunity. As we embrace technology, we embrace our future. So let's step forward with courage and conviction, ready to shape our destiny in this brave new world of work.